Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another video. We are in the SQL injection path from the WebSecurityAcademy, and today we're going to try to solve another lab. It's SQL injection with filter bypass via XML encoding. So let's access the lab, let it warm up, and we should read the description. So this lab contains a SQL injection vulnerability in its stock check feature. The results from the query are returned in the application's response, so you can use a union attack to retrieve data from other tables. The database contains a user table which contains the usernames and passwords of registered users. To solve the lab, perform SQL injection attack. Um, Perform a SQL injection attack to retrieve the admin's user credentials and log into their account. And we have a hint. A web application firewall will block requests that contain obvious signs of SQL injection attack, so you will need to find a way to obfuscate your malicious query to bypass this filter. We recommend using the HackVerter extension to do this. Alright, so let's access the lab and let's see what do we have here. So we have this typical shop, so let's view details from a product. Let's scroll down, and here we have the chuck stock function. So let's use it. I have already burp suite running, so let's get the burp suite and let's see the request from the proxy. And here's the query, the request that we're talking about to check the stack. So let's send it to the repeater and let's see what's happening here. Let's check send. Okay, so we have the response 380 units. If we try something else, yeah, we're going to get different results. What if we do something like that? Okay, so it's working. Okay, S2. So what would we do is like trying to go out from here, right? And do a union select null and a comment. And let's see what happens if we try to send it. And we are being blocked, so there is an attack detected. So it's not going to work. And as we read the hint, we can use the HackVerter extension from the burp suite. So let's do this. Let's check the our payload we want to inject, and let's see for the extensions HackVerter. And here are a bunch of options actually. What we would like to do here is we would like to encode our request, and to do this we can use for example hex entities, or actually deck entities. These are two recommended options for this lab. So let's get the hex entities, and something like that is happening. And let's see whether it's going to work or not. Okay, so 0 units. Something actually worked. We have actually no idea how many columns are being returned. We can try adding another nulls, let's say. But the application won't actually help us this much here. There is also an option that the comment is not needed actually. And the apostrophe, maybe here it's not needed. Oh, look at that, something worked. And here we're getting a result null. So it looks like the apostrophe is messing something up. So we can use this request without the apostrophe. And let's see, look at that. If we add another null, we're getting no results. If we remove it, we're getting this null. So it tells us that there's only one column. So if there's only one column, we have to use a concatenation. So we can use union select username and use something like that. If it's a Postgres database, we are assuming that it is, and password from users, and let's send it. Oh, look at that, we're getting results. We're getting free users, and the task is to log in as the administrator. So let's copy this password. Let's go back to the main site. Let's go to my account, this administrator, and let's paste the password, log in, and we have solved the lab. So thank you guys for watching and see you in the next video.